Hey guys, right now we're gonna do a combination of the Paleo Potager and the It's Not Gourmet Bro series. We got our slow cooker ready. It's gonna be albondigas. So come right back because I'm gonna teach you how to make food for your family or your group. This is gonna be a Mexican style meatball soup. Woo! Good paleo. Here I've got a pound of organic grass-fed beef, a pound of hot Italian sausage, and 1 egg. I'm gonna drop those guys into my large mixing bowl. To that I'll add, this is 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. We got 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Pull out a little cilantro, scoop action. And I'll get radical here, just mixing this up. There we go, okay? So I've got my skillet rolling here, little portion control scoop. I'm just gonna use this to determine the size of my meatballs. All right, and I got the idea for this. Last weekend we were camping up in the high Sierra, and we went into Downeyville for the day. If you haven't heard of Downeyville, check it out. It's the mountain bike capital of the world. It's kind of annoying, all these mountain bikes everywhere, but we went out to lunch, this Mexican place. I ordered the meatball soup. It was a special today. It took me 45 minutes to get it, but it was worth the wait because it was paleo, right? It was kind of their only paleo option. And they actually had some baby patty pan squash in there. It was kind of cool. Little cabbage. So we're just gonna do a take on that and switch it up with the slow cooker style. You can also make this just on the stove top, but this way we'll be able to set it and forget it. So here I'm just giving these guys a first turn. I like cooking these off in the pan because we get good caramelization, as you can see. A little added flavor, depth of flavor. We don't have to cook these all the way through. They're gonna finish cooking in the soup. So we're just gonna get them browned on all sides. While they're doing that, we're gonna hack up the veggies and we should have this together within a couple minutes. Okay, I'm gonna start with 2 quarts of chicken stock. And then I've got, this is about 24 ounces butternut squash from my butternut squash pucks. This is the flesh that came out of the bulbs. And you don't have to put this in, it's just something I have, so I'm going to use it. So from there, we're just gonna go nice, chunky, hearty cuts, kind of match up the size of our large balls. Carrots, cut the ends off. I'll just have these guys. Celery's next. Just want a little slit down the center to prevent that horseshoe, right? Ninjas don't cut horseshoes. A little zucchini, a little yellow squash. I got these turnips from the local CSA program. Andrea and Jason Berger. You guys remember Burger Me? Burger Me Truckee, Blizzard Boys. His wife hooked me up with those in there. Whoa, we're running out of room, huh? Cabbage, we'll just go, don't need a ton, that much. Over here, give them all one more turn. All right guys, we got a lot of flavor in the pan. It's known as fond. It's when little sticky bits kind of hang out in the pan when you're done cooking. So I'm gonna do a ninja move here. Take 2 cups of our mixture. We're gonna dump it in with the meatballs. That'll help deglaze the pan. Make sure I grab a little bit more. Boom, boom. Cut the heat. We'll grab the whole pan. Gentle stir here. We don't wanna break them up. As they cook, they'll tighten up a little bit. We're gonna put it on high for 4 hours and then we'll check back in. Hey guys, here we are 4 hours in. We're gonna take a look at our meatball soup. Smells delicious. Pull the top off here. And with all of these crock pot meals, the final step is always seasoning, right? Salt and pepper to finish. So I'm gonna get into this and just see. Oh wow, where the salt level is. The pepper's there, there's a little bit of kind of a peppery heat. 2 pinches of salt, I think will be good. Then I also added 4 bay leaves. We missed that part in the beginning. Here we have it guys, our Mexican style meatball soup, AKA albondigas. Stuff's the bomb. Give it a try. Kind of a hands-off approach with our It's Not Gourmet series. I'm Paleo Nick here, just doing what I can in the test kitchen to help you guys keep it paleo.